The reason why most people never make money with AI is because they are told to start at the hardest place possible, which is building an app or launching their own AI agency, which, by the way, is a great way to make money with AI. But when you're starting from zero, that is a huge cliff to climb. So instead, I'm going to walk you through 3 small, boring little ideas that are small enough that you can get started today. Now, I've actually handed all 3 of these over to my wife, Amy, who is super non-technical, and she's going to run with these and test them out herself. But I want you to copy these for yourself as well. You can use them, you can mix them, you can make them your own. And for each one, I'm going to show you exactly how to build it step by step, and I'm going to show you exactly what people are charging for these AI services. But before we jump into the first and easiest idea, I do want to give a huge shout out to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video and for being one of the best partners of this channel. If you're not familiar with Higgsfield, they have every major video and photo and voice AI model that's out there. And of course, that's not even close to everything that they do. Matter of fact, I've used them over 1,000 times on different projects, and I'm not even kidding. Just take a look at how many photos and videos and voice clips that I've made with Higgsfield. And all 3 of these money-making ideas are actually built with Higgsfield. So you're going to get a really good idea of what they can do. With that said, let's jump into boring idea number 1, which is the realtor's gift. Now think about a closing gift that a realtor usually gives their client. It's usually a coffee mug with their face on it or something like that, right? It's not really good. Matter of fact, realtors need referrals. They need to give a gift that their clients can actually talk about. And that's exactly what this solves for. So what this business idea is we are going to take a photo of a house that an agent just sold and turn it into a watercolor painting that they can hand to their client as a gift. Is this boring? Yes, it's very boring, but we see this as having very high potential, which is why we built an entire website for it. And you can see it at tristanobrien.ai/realtor. And we built it so you can see exactly how we are pitching it. And it's not just us either. Take a look at this one Etsy shop that has over 100,000 sales selling the same kind of thing. So to make this work, there really are 2 different things that we need to do. First, you need to find a list of realtors because these are our customers. Now, the easiest thing you could do is just ask a realtor friend if they're interested because we all know a realtor. But if you want to go big, and if you want to make this a real business, you're going to want to use this prompt right here and have Claude find every realtor in your city. You're going to have Claude stack rank them by number of homes sold. And then you're going to pull the contact information and drop it all in a Google Sheet. Then you can use that information to connect with them and then tell them about your services and then show them some examples of what you're talking about. And of course, if you want, feel free to use the examples that are on my website. I created them with AI, so you can use them. And if you'd rather skip the cold call or the outreach, then you can go the Etsy route if you want to. Just know that Etsy shops, they take a really long time for the algorithm to start sending you customers. So it's a little bit longer to get started. Now, the second step here is once the agent says yes, and they send you a photo, this is where Higgsfield comes in. Again, Higgsfield has every major photo and video and voice AI model all in one place. You could absolutely go to their website and pick the AI model that you want to use, but you don't have to do that. Matter of fact, you can let Claude be the brain and then let Higgsfield do all of the creating. And you can do all of that right inside of Claude itself. Now, all you need to do is upload the photo, and then you're going to tell Claude to connect to Higgsfield and paste this prompt right here. Now, what this prompt does is it turns the photo into a watercolor piece of art. And it's doing that while keeping the house precisely accurate. And then when you hit enter and you wait a minute, you're going to have this watercolor art that's ready to hand to your customer. Now, if you are going to do all of this inside of Claude, you will need the Higgsfield connector, which I'll show you how to set up at the end of this video. But that takes us to boring idea number 2, which is creating a commercial. And it's much easier than it sounds. Now, I call this one boring, but it actually isn't boring at all. This probably is the most fun one to make. What you're going to do is you're going to find a plain static image ad on Facebook, and you're going to use a free tool that's very easy to use, and you're going to turn it into a real cinematic commercial with AI that, of course, you can sell to the business. So where do you even find these customers? Well, Facebook has its own ad library that's completely free to use, and it shows you every single ad that every single store is running right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to filter down to active ads, and then you're going to filter down to just plain static images. And the reason why we want that is because you're about to make their ad look 1,000 times better. Now, remember this, every store already is spending money on advertising. You're not convincing them to create an ad. All you're doing is you're selling them a better and more creative way for their ad to stand out. Now, I don't want to feature anybody's business in this particular video, so I did create my own example website instead. And you can check it out at tristanobrien.ai/dog helmet because every dog needs a helmet, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to take that fake little business that I just created and we are going to make a commercial for it just like we would for that ad. So what you need to do is you need to go to Higgsfield's Marketing Studio, and right next to UGC, you're going to see a button that says commercial. Now in there's a bunch of styles that you can choose from. I like to pick the product showcase. So that's the one I'm going to choose here. Then when you go to the top, you're going to select product, and it's going to ask you for a website. Now, this is where you put the store's actual website. You're not putting their Facebook page or the ad link. You're putting their actual web page. And when you click enter, it's going to scan the entire website to fully understand the business along with every product that they sell. And then we're going to hop back over to Claude and we're going to ask it to write us a 15-second prompt for this commercial. Now, I'm going to give Claude the website link as well so it can do a full scan and it can understand the business as well. But we're going to take that prompt and we're going to use it to generate the commercial inside of Higgsfield. Now, there is one little trick that you need to know inside of Higgsfield. When you're taking that prompt, and it's talking about the product itself, you're going to want to type in the @ symbol. And when you type in the @ symbol, you're going to see a little box that pops up that shows all of the product images that was scanned from the site. Now, this allows you to pick exactly which one that you want to use. That way, it knows precisely what the product looks like, and it's going to use that inside of the ad. And in just a couple of minutes, we have this amazing, awesome commercial, and let's check it out together. Now that is something we can sell. Now just know, when you are rendering these videos through Higgsfield, you are using Higgsfield credits. And if you're creating a 4K video, it's using even more credits. So instead of making a brand new video for every single prospect, you probably want to make a sample library that you can show them. Feel free to use the one that I created today. I know it's a little silly, but it still kind of gets the point across. So if you're wondering how much people will pay for this, well, you can just hop over to Fiverr.com and you can take a look at the success that they are having over there. People are selling this product every single day. They're charging anywhere from $5 up to $900. And on average, the good creators are charging a couple $100s per video. And before we get to business idea number 3, if you could, just take a quick second and hit subscribe, like this video. It really helps out the channel and it's something that I really appreciate. Which, by the way, all of the prompts that I'm using today are on my website for free. The link is in the description along with the Higgsfield link, which you should check out as well. All right, so let's get to idea number 3, which is the room push-in. Now, I really like this idea because we're working in a space with a ton of potential customers, and those customers are Airbnb hosts. So what we're doing here is we are creating a smooth cinematic video that slowly pushes through their home so people actually feel like they're standing in the Airbnb as they're checking it out online. Now, this isn't for the Airbnb listing itself. Matter of fact, I don't think Airbnb lets you post videos in your listing, but it is for the host to post on their own social media. Now, normally to find one of these, you would just go over to Airbnb's website and you'd filter to a nice area and you'd open up a good listing that you could make one of these videos for. But because I don't want to demo anybody's house or use somebody's listing without their permission, I created my own demo that we're going to use instead. So what we would do is we would go to a listing and we would grab 5 to 10 photos from that listing. Then we would take them and then we would upload it into Claude, just like we did with the house painting. And then we would use the Higgsfield connector with this prompt below. And in just a couple of minutes, what you're going to have is a professional tour built entirely with the photos that you provided and that is ready to hand to your customer. Again, to see what people would pay for this, you can go over to Fiverr and look at the real estate photo to video section. Now, this is a huge opportunity, by the way. The good news is that it's still wide open for people to get in, but if you take a look, people are already charging $50 to $150 per listing. So the demand is real. We know that it is. And this is why we think it's such a good use of AI. And that's really it. Those are the 3 boring small business ideas that you can try out yourself if you want to. But I really wanted to show you this so you can start brainstorming yourself for different ways that you could start to use AI to make money. Now, of course, I can't promise that you'll make any money from this. We know the demand is real. I showed you the prices that Amy's going to use and then the ones that are already existing in the market. But all of it starts with one small, boring business idea that can lead to something bigger, including an AI agency if that's the direction you want to go. And now, one quick thing I do want to mention that if you do use a version of this, whether you're reaching out to people or businesses, just make sure that you're following your own state and local laws around outreach and soliciting because the rules can vary depending on where you live. And lastly, before we wrap things up, I did mention that I like to do all of this inside of Claude using the Higgsfield connector, and it is really easy to set up. So first, you're going to want to make sure the Claude is open. You're going to go to settings. You're going to go over to connectors. You're going to click on customize and then hit that plus button. And you're going to name this Higgsfield. And then you're going to paste in this URL right here, which I'll also have in the description, and then click add. And of course, their link is in the description along with all of the prompts that we used in this video. So if you like this video, please hit subscribe, please like it, and I will see you in the next one.